Hello, my name is Mary Costello. I'm an Irish writer. I'm the author of 3 books. The first one is a collection of short stories entitled The China Factory, which was published in 2012. My second book, Academy Street, a novel, 2014. And my third book, The River Capture, a novel which came out last October, from which I'm going to read now. The main character is Luke, who's a 34-year-old teacher who is interested in lots of things, the mind, how it works, human evolution. And in this section, there is a Q&A, which consists of the narrator asking questions of Luke. Has Luke ever abstained from eating meat or considered the benefits of routine fasting? Answer. In his early childhood, as a result of his parents' feeble attempt to respect the last vestiges of Catholicism still extant in them, the family wholeheartedly abstained from meat on Ash Wednesdays and Good Fridays. In 2004, he observed the 24-hour Lenten fast with the Belvedere boys, during which he developed an acute headache that rendered him half-blind and fully mute. At the end of the fast, he experienced a brief feeling of elation, followed by a profound and again brief sense of peace. While he retains a great admiration for those who lead disciplined, ascetic lives, he suspects his own innate nature veers towards the gluttonous, the conger eel, making him an unlikely candidate for ascetic practices. Rashid, his friend, who fasted Ramadan annually, ardently advocated the benefits of fasting for the mind, body and soul, and to ensure a place in heaven. Luke watched the film Hunger 3 times. After each viewing, he read about the process of ketosis, and though the thought of his body eating itself from the inside out repulsed him, the knowledge that fasting helps repair hair follicles temporarily interested him. What theories concerning man's evolution interest Luke, and what separate theories has he himself hatched? Answer. Biotechies and astronomers royal alike agree that A. Darwinian evolution is drawing to a close, B. Man is on the precipice of a great anthropogenic catastrophe, and C. The post-human era is fast approaching, when computers will augment our brains and outthink and outdo mankind so that the shackles of body and blood are finally loosed, allowing the human species to diverge into artificially enhanced, intelligent cybernetic organisms. However, as we await our fleshless progeny, and if in the interim man hasn't already boiled himself to death through global warming or exterminated himself in a major environmental perturbation, or so psychically damaged himself by intolerable stress, pervasive surveillance, and inhuman violence that his soul is corroded beyond redemption and his very humanity is compromised beyond repair, Luke theorizes that we, will either A. eat ourselves into extinction by reason of obesity-induced immotility, infertility, sperm immotility, and sterility, or B. epigenetically mutate after reaching a tipping point of consciousness into an enlightened, ungendered, asexual, hermaphroditic species existing on a plane and among a new biota on the planet, so spiritually elevated that the base instincts and appetites we are currently encumbered with will be sublimated into mystical states of bliss. In other words, man will be either too fat to fuck or too blissed out to bother. Either way, Elijah is coming. Thank you.